little loving. Oh, I gotta call like a video, Shanane. Hey, you need some little pampering. Tomuko no mukugo gumaniche kukura. Kitake wa crochet master. Yakuku kamo vidi kati master. Makeup on a genius. Akukola kono nyuma. Jangu, you a crochet master. Come on. Jangu. Crochet master. Maurice. Maurice. Katonzi by my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oyingi te wongo yaka. Maurice the crochet master did a make on you, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good. Maurice the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto waza, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonyo mie, okwana nembaga. You look so good. Nobody do it like Maurice. Yeah. Nobody do it like Maurice, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Maurice.
Yes, my name is Maurice, the Crochet Master. Welcome to our YouTube channel, and this is the channel where you can always get all hairstyles if you want to learn. Yes, because we played different types of hairstyle, and I always make sure that I upload it for you so that you can learn. And I still make sure that at least we upload videos every week for you guys to learn. So this time around, there is a previous hairstyle that I did, and people have started loving it, and they're really serious about it. They are doing it, and though yes, there's some mistakes that they are still doing, but I guess once you do a mistake and you realize, the next time you don't do it again. So we had a question before. The question was, can this hairstyle, the one I did with natural hair, can it be done with the straight lax hair? So this is the answer for you, and I would like you to watch this video carefully as you're listening to these words, because it is the simple hairstyle that you can look at it and see that it's just braiding, but a lot of people are doing mistakes just because they think it is just braiding. Yes, and if you try to see like most of the comments in my TikTok, like a lot of them who have tried to give this hairstyle to their stylist, it is failing them just because they think it is easy as they see it, because it is just braiding. For sure, it's just braiding, but the only thing that is in there, it is what I want you to understand to me very careful. Like when listen to these words, you're not going to ask again, and you will have to learn to do it very properly. So now let's continue and see how to do this hairstyle. First and foremost, what I would say about like those also asking if it can be done with straight lax hair. This is it. Now this is straight lax hair, and we're trying to do the same style that we did from natural hair, we are doing it here. But the only difference is, because I'm going to explain it in that way so that you can understand. For the natural hair, when we are doing the natural hair, we tried to apply small extension, the little extension that we didn't add the much extension. It was small. The extension was just small, just because for that one I did it because the natural hair is always thick. Now those people, sorry, that those people always have that thick hair, and you find out like they can even plait it without adding any hair extension. You get it? So just I added it in that hair extension to make it last longer, because we all know that kinky blends with natural hair a lot. Yes, it blends with it very well. It, like the way you can see these other synthetic braiding, the braids are also blends well with this straight lax hair. But how do I achieve this same hairstyle to this natural hair, to this straight lax hair? How do you achieve it? The only difference is the other one with natural hair, it was small. We added in small hair extension, but this one, it is really big. We are adding in a bigger extension. And if you're still asking yourself why we're adding a big extension, it is because when you try to look at this hair, it doesn't have volume. You understand? It doesn't have volume with like natural hair. So when you add in the big extension, it means we are trying to create the thickness of the hair, so that it can also give us the results like that one of natural hair. So that's why the extension is a little bit bigger than for the natural hair. So now let's continue and see how it is going to look like for those ones who are asking this. And if you try to look at it, yes, it looks simple. Okay, yes, it looks simple when you look at it, but the way of balancing it. Now, this is going to go to those ones who have ever done crochet, or maybe even these other waves. There is the way we always pack those main points. You know, the head shape, the head has got those main points. Like whenever you're doing your hair, there's somewhere that you don't need to space there. You understand? Like, let's say, for instance, we're trying to say we're doing something like is the side way. So there are those specific parts that you don't need to space. Like maybe the way we have been spacing the behind, but when you reach at those angles, you just have to make sure that you overpack there, so that it creates that the shape of the hairstyle. Sorry, but you're going to find like most other people are doing it just braiding, and they don't mind about those angles. You understand? So now if you try to look here, the spacing that I'm doing, it is not like the one we have been doing behind. You understand? So behind it was a little bit packed, so that it is creating that volume down. There's the way it should be looking down. When you try to look at someone, you're not seeing like spaces in the neck. Like on the neck, on the neck, you're not seeing the spaces when you're trying to look at that person. So that's why, like, you find that those two first three lines, I pack them very well so that they create that shadow on the neck. So there's still those angles that you're not just going to skip, but you're going to find other people are just going to plait it like they're just braiding, and then they space those lines. After spacing those lines, if someone is in the mirror, can see spaces in the neck, like on the neck, that you can be seeing those spaces like when it is not thick, so it doesn't come out very, very well. So those are the simple mistakes that they are trying to do when it comes to this hairstyle, because for them they are seeing it very simple and think they can just braid it. So this is what I got for you, but just try to mix the two videos, this one and the other one. Trust me, you'll be able to learn it, and I'm going to try to make sure that I add in the link in the description so that you can still go and watch it very well. So you mix the two with this the straight lax hair plus the other one with natural hair, and see how it can all be done. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and I work at Hair by Clippers with Z, and we are located in Intinda, Ministers Village. You can always come and have our services. Yes, still we have the online courses. The link is in the description below. You can click on it, go straight and get your services, you get your courses that you'd want to learn. For now, please make sure that you like the video and tell me where you're watching from.